Hey there, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're diving into the top 3 best ATX mid-tower gaming PC case, perfect for gamers and PC builders looking for style, cooling, and performance in one. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 3, we have the Foifkin i F600 ATX mid-tower gaming PC case. The Foifkin F600 ATX mid-tower gaming PC case is designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both performance and aesthetics. Its dual-chamber layout separates the main hardware from the power supply and drive bays, allowing for optimized airflow and improved cable management. This thoughtful design ensures that components stay cooler while the interior remains organized and visually appealing. The case features fully transparent, high-hardness tempered glass panels, providing a full view of the internal build. This makes it ideal for showcasing high-end components and custom RGB setups. Pre-installed with 7 120mm ARGB PWM fans, the F600 delivers dynamic lighting effects and efficient airflow right out of the box. Its advanced cooling system supports up to 3 360mm radiators simultaneously, giving builders plenty of options for liquid cooling configurations. Compatibility is broad, supporting ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards. The case accommodates graphics cards up to 400mm in length and power supplies up to 200mm, ensuring it can house powerful gaming rigs. Storage options include 1 HDD and 2 SSDs, providing sufficient space for both large and fast storage drives. With its combination of a spacious interior, extensive cooling capabilities, and premium tempered glass design, the Foifkin F600 is a versatile and stylish solution for gamers who want a high-performance PC case that looks as good as it performs. Next up, at number 2, comes the Antec C5 ATX mid-tower gaming PC case. The Antec C5 ATX mid-tower gaming PC case stands out as a modern solution for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both style and functionality. Its full-view design features seamless edges on the front and side panels, creating a sleek and visually striking appearance that highlights the internal components of your build. This attention to design allows users to showcase their hardware while maintaining a clean and polished aesthetic. Engineered with a dual-chamber layout, the Antec C5 separates the main components from the power supply and drives, enhancing airflow and improving cable management. This thoughtful design ensures that heat-generating components remain well ventilated, supporting optimal performance even during intensive gaming sessions or demanding workloads. The case is compatible with back-connect motherboards, providing flexibility for advanced builds and high-end configurations. Antec has pre-installed 7 ARGB PWM fans, including 6 reverse fans, to deliver dynamic airflow and vibrant lighting effects. These fans, paired with the built-in ARGB and PWM fan controller, give users complete control over cooling and illumination, allowing for a personalized setup that matches any gaming environment. Designed for enthusiasts who value both aesthetics and efficiency, the Antec C5 ATX mid-tower gaming PC case combines cutting-edge cooling solutions with a visually stunning exterior. Its dual-chamber design, comprehensive fan system, and integrated controls make it a versatile choice for building a high-performance, eye-catching gaming rig that meets modern demands. This PC case caters to users looking to merge style, functionality, and cooling performance, making it a compelling option for gamers and system builders aiming for a refined and immersive computing experience. And finally, taking the number 1 position, it's the Thermaltake View 380 ATX mid-tower gaming PC case. The Thermaltake View 380 ATX mid-tower gaming PC case stands out with its modern design and functional architecture, catering to gamers and PC enthusiasts who seek both style and performance. Its dual-chamber layout separates the main components from cable management and power supply, ensuring a cleaner build and improved airflow. The pillarless front and side tempered glass panels offer an unobstructed view of the interior, highlighting the hardware and lighting setup in a seamless manner. This case is designed to support hidden connector motherboards, allowing for a flexible and clutter-free build. Cooling performance is enhanced with 4 pre-installed 120mm ARGB light fans featuring hydraulic bearings, which not only deliver efficient airflow but also create dynamic lighting effects that can complement any gaming setup. The View 380 accommodates large components, including graphics cards up to 415mm in length and radiators up to 360mm, making it suitable for high-performance builds and advanced liquid cooling solutions. Connectivity is well considered with the inclusion of a Gen 2 USB 3.2 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and an HD audio jack on the I/O panel, providing quick access to peripherals and audio devices. The combination of spacious interior, tempered glass aesthetics, and ARGB cooling support makes the Thermaltake View 380 a visually striking and technically capable choice for gamers who want to showcase their hardware without compromising functionality. With its blend of style, expandability, and thermal efficiency, the View 380 represents a versatile platform for building a high-end gaming PC that performs reliably while offering a strong visual impact. Impressive options, right? Upgrade your gaming rig today. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Tech Product for more PC case and gaming gear guides.